It's Dave again with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today is a short video that is what I consider a failure. I actually scraped this piece, but you watch all the way through and decide if I made the right decision. See you at the end. Okay, it's time for the flyover, and I think that I got some really nice cells in this, and overall the piece itself, the colors blended nicely. I decided to scrape this because I was afraid it was going to move around too much. You'll see when it comes up. There was a lot of paint on here, although I think I got enough off. It still wasn't enough to actually do the job. So it's great. Let me know what you think. Thank you for being here today. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell. It's absolutely free and it really does help. Thanks for being here, and I hope you really did get something out of this today. I'll see you next time. Bye now.